Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Hoofbeats and Hiccup. I changed my name, so it used to be Horse Edits, but now that I'm getting Hiccup, I changed it to Hoofbeats and Hiccups. I might change it to Riding with Mary and Hiccup or something like that, but for now, it's Hoofbeats and Hiccup. So basically, it is currently, I didn't update my calendar actually. So basically, I have this little calendar, and it's like a horse calendar. So it is February 29th. Basically, on February 29th, on March 1st is when I start to lease Hiccup. So tomorrow, and it is currently like 7:30 or 8 maybe, I don't really know. And my tack trunk is, so basically at the barn you get the horse, and then there's a tack room, and you can get a tack trunk if you want and put it in there if you own any of your own stuff, which I do. So I got one of those. I got the Husky on the Stanley one, and it's 50 gallons. So that's gonna get here tomorrow. So basically tomorrow I'm going to the barn because my lease starts after school. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna ride Hiccup, and then I'm gonna go in the tack room and find a spot to put my tack trunk. And then I'm going back to the barn on Saturday to put my tack trunk there and then ride Hiccup again because he needs work because he hasn't been worked in a while. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be filming a vlog, and there might be 2 parts, I don't know, but I'm going to do like a first few days with Hiccup kind of thing. It might just be Friday and Saturday probably, so yeah. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out my outfit for tomorrow, get everything like ready and stuff. So yeah, let's pick, and I need to adjust the halters to his head size because he's a really small head. I'm going to have a full for both my halters. So basically let's go pick out my outfit. Okay, so basically, you guys would know that, actually you might not know, but I'm a big fan of Lemire, and Lemire just released new fall colors. So I had a lesson on Tuesday, and I wore the walnut. So tomorrow I'm gonna wear fern. So just get that on. And I got the matching saddle pads as well, just because. So this is gonna be our outfit, and then for pants, I want to wear a pair of leggings just so that. So I have these forest leggings, which I don't really have. That might be a little extra. Yeah, this is. I think that's gonna be a little too much green. Let's see. Okay, I could do black because I want to wear a pair of leggings that have like this pocket, and these look a little brown actually. Hold on. These are black. I don't really know. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do this. So saddle pad, black riding leggings, and that top. And I want the leggings so I can put my phone in my pocket and play music. Yeah, so earlier today I have the Sienna Vogue's head collar, and I put it on all the smallest settings, and it looks really small now, so I might have to make it a little bigger, but I don't really know yet. But I'm just gonna do the same thing with the peacock halter. I'm also gonna take like the tags off and stuff. So let's do that. And so I got full size before I knew I was gonna lease Hiccup. So that it could pretty much fit any horse. And full isn't even that big. I mean, Hiccup does have a really small head and a really big body, so he's really unproportional. But it's fine. So I'm gonna put this strap on the smallest hole, just because he has like a fat and short head. So that will work. And I'm also gonna put the nose strap on the smallest hole because he does, oh, it already is on the smallest hole. Okay, well, basically this is the halter. This looks a lot bigger than the Sienna, but I think this will probably fit. Okay, so I have this, and I'm gonna take this tomorrow to fit it to him so that I can know what size I need to make my other one, and then on Saturday I'm going to put them in my tech trunk. Basically, okay, I'll just show you guys everything that's gonna go in my tack trunk. So I just ordered a black lumiere saddle pad because I have like all the so many colors, and I don't need all the saddle pads, so I just got black so that I can have something basic to wear with like all the colors. So everything that's gonna go in my tack trunk, all my saddle pads, my peacock halter, my sienna halter, because I don't need to have my sienna saddle pad, my peacock saddle pad, my walnut saddle pad, which is downstairs, my fern saddle pad, my black saddle pad, and my helmet. And I'm debating if I want to put my riding boots in there because I have the Lemieux. If you can't tell, I love Lemieux. They should sponsor me. I have Lemieux tennis shoes, so I might be wearing these to the barn and then just changing my boots when I get there, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet. I probably won't put my boots in my tack trunk just because I don't want, like, I don't really know. I just probably won't. And then, yeah, I'll put my helmet in there. I'm gonna put my body protector in there. I don't have like a full, oh, that's not good. I don't have a full bar on body protector, but I have a back protector that goes like under your show jacket. So it was just laying on like a, this thing won't be back there. Okay, so I'll keep that in there so that when I do like bareback or something, I'll wear that, or shows or whatever. So yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna film today. I will film in the morning, me getting ready for school, because I'm gonna be so excited, and then I'll film at the barn tomorrow if I get a chance, and if I don't, then it will just be like a few clips of me riding, and I'll film more on Saturday. So yeah, we got 7 minutes of footage. I hope you guys liked. And I will see you guys tomorrow when Hiccup is officially mine. Well, he's not mine, I'm leasing him, but like the way lease works at the barn, it's basically like owning, except you don't have to go feed them. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I finally woke up. So I'm not getting ready for the barn right now, but I am getting ready for school. So I'm gonna do my makeup. So my makeup's, oh my god, I never take. So I'm gonna just do primer, some sunscreen, concealer, blush, setting spray, and highlighter, and mascara. Sorry, I kind of forgot to keep filming, but I'm back now. Okay, so I showed you guys this yesterday, but I didn't really show it to you guys, so I'm just gonna talk about this. So it's like a body protector, but it only covers your back, and then the front comes around like this, and it's just these two like little pockets, and your arms go through here, and then it closes on the front, and then this protects your back, so if you like fall over a jump or something, or like it protects your spine, and it molds to your spine, so after you wear it a while, because I left this sitting on my helmet, so it was molded like that, like on top of my helmet. See if you can't tell, it just molds to the back of your spine, so that's good. I'm excited to wear this. I'm not wearing it today though, but I'm gonna put it in my tack trunk, and I might wear it tomorrow because I think I might do bareback tomorrow. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I put my hair up just because I have athletics first period. I don't have to have our hair up. So yeah, I'm about to I'm gonna go downstairs in a little bit and get my athletics clothes. But right now I'm just gonna get out my school outfit, which is just over here, and I'm just wearing this and this. So I'm just wearing this. Oh, I'm wearing this gold hinge skirt and this gray little Swiftie with my white Converse. So yeah, that's basically it so far. I'm officially getting ready, and then I will see you guys after school. Okay, it's like 4:20 and I just got home. I have to hurry and get ready. But gosh, it's gonna be so much fun to go through. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my outfit on, and then I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, so I just got dressed. I have this black, this green Lemire top, black Lemire riding leggings, socks. Then I have to bring with me this halter because I have to fit it to hiccup, and this saddle pad to go with my outfit. I have to go to get my boots and my backpack, but then I will see you guys when I'm on my way. I'm gonna try and film at the barn. I don't know if I will though. I'll definitely have like riding videos. I don't know if it'll be like a vlog. Hopefully though. Okay, bye. Guys, we're gonna go think about. We just finished our ride. We did ride a little bit in the arena, and then we did a short ride. So I have to go. But yeah. Okay, I'm at the barn by myself now because my friend just left, and my dad's on my way to pick me up. But hiccup was so good today. He was like perfect, honestly, other than tacking up because he's really bad in the cross guys. But I'm gonna be back tomorrow, and I might do bareback. And we went on a trail ride. Yeah, I'm just like in the tack room right now. We found a spot in the Lisi's tack room for my tack trunk that I'm gonna be putting here tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a great day. And then I can't ride on Sunday. I mean, I might be able to, but it'll be like in the afternoon. And then I'm gonna be here on Monday and Tuesday, and not Wednesday, but Thursday and Friday. So this is kind of awkward. So I'm just gonna see you guys when I get home. Okay, so I got home from the barn a while ago and I ate dinner, but I just opened my tack trunk. So it's really big. I didn't think, like, I know it was gonna be this big, but like, so my friend wants to call me while I do this, so I won't film me putting everything in it, which I know is annoying because I would want to see that if I was watching this, but I will give you guys a tour when I'm done. But I'm going to put both of these saddle pads in there, and our ride today was so good. I just can't get over how good it was. But, yeah. Okay, sorry I couldn't film me putting my tack trunk together, but here it is. I got this Stanley one. I think I might peel this sticker off, though, and put my name here because I think that will look really good. It is like a toolbox, so it does have like measurements on it, but it's fine. It's really, really big, but I love it. So I will show you guys the inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna film like this because it'll be easier. But basically, so first, there's a lock right here, and it comes with keys. Okay. So here is the inside of the tack trunk. So up here, I have some horse treats, a halter that I use, like mainly. These gray gloves that don't really fit me anymore. I have 2 pairs of gloves in here, and then I just have like some bars and like treats for me. And then in the bigger compartment, I have my 4 saddle pads. So I have walnut, fern, peacock, and sea. Just drop my phone in my tack trunk. Okay, but basically, so how it's gonna be in the, it's gonna be like this. So, yeah. I just have to go and stuff like that. Just really manageable. Okay, so there, I have my 4 saddle pads. I have my helmet, which is, I have my grooming kit and like fly spray and stuff like that. And then underneath there, I just have another halter, a jacket, and my body protector. And then I printed out some photos that I'm gonna put like up here. And then I put my initials down here. But let's go get, so I did go But for now, that is everything. Bye. Okay, so it's Saturday now, and I'm gonna go to the barn today, and I'm gonna spend like all day there. I'm getting there at 11, so I'm leaving here at like 10:30. It's currently 8. I'm gonna have to call my friend in a little bit because we're gonna get ready together. But today we are doing pole work again, and then we're gonna get off, put horses in their stalls. Then we're gonna order like juice land or something, just hang out at the barn for a little bit, and then get back on in like a few hours and just do bareback, and then go on a trail ride. So that's the plan for today. The UV's gonna be 7, so I'm gonna wear a tank top so I can get a tan, and then yeah, I will see you guys when I'm at the barn. Outfit, I have this Align Tang, black riding leggings, and a belt. Okay, guys, this is Georgia.
Hi.
Okay, we're getting fish. Look, Georgia.
Is that?
Yeah, get that one.
Wait, no, because it's twisted up.
Bro, it's fine. That's the one you used yesterday.
No, it is not. No.
Okay, then what about this one?
Let me see.
Use that one.
Wait, hold on. I have to make... Oh, twist it up.
No, it's fine.
Oh, no, it isn't. We have to video.
Oh, gosh.
Shh. Okay, can you hold this?
No.
Mean.
Okay, get this one. Look.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Okay, is fish down here or up there?
Up there. Who's always up there?
Ugh, fish.
Me in the butt. Okay, I'm gonna do me one. I wanna see that. Yeah, no, I'm doing it. Don't.
Okay, we're getting fish.
Wait.
Her horse. We're getting fishy. He's that one. Yeah, I already got hiccup, but we're just gonna get fish. He's literally like the king of the hay.
I know.
This is all mine.
Stay there. Hold this. Video.
Hurry, get him before he
He's gonna be a little meanie, but
oh my gosh. Put the leader up around his neck.
no, he'll sprint.
Put it around his neck and hold it. Like a neck rope. That's what I do for hiccup. Do you want me to get him? Here, I can. Georgia, can I do it?
Fine.
Okay, here.
Okay, guys, she's doing it for me because
Hold your phone.
I'm really bad at this. I'm still learning now. And
Hold it. You have to film it the other way, like horizontal. You're gonna no, don't even film it.
Fish, don't even. Okay, let me try. Let me try now. Let me try. Hold this.
Okay, you have to be like more
Wait,
like.
cute, because I have my phone.
I can't even see my screen anymore. Hopefully this is
Yeah,
good.
this is the wrong way. Ooh, why does life have to be hard? You know what? I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, take this one.
Thank you.
You have to film.
Okay, I'm filming, don't worry. Got it? Hey guys. Okay, we're just kind of struggling, but we're doing it.
Fish.
Yeah, that's the thing. Chester!
He's so hungry.
I know. All the horsies. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we got the pony.
Oh,
Okay, take your horse.
something weird is happening. Hold on.
Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna go. We're doing saddles first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go groom, tack up, and then we're gonna do pole work, and then we're gonna take a break and then do bareback. Okay, guys, we're on hiccup now. So we're gonna film our ride. In a second. Thanks, guys. Let's go. Come on. Don't be a brat. So we're not off to a great start, but it's fine. Did you even bring the dishwasher? Okay. Well, I need that. Because he's not going. I think it might just have been because. Okay. Now we're just sitting in the tack room and we ordered DoorDash.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a barn vlog of me and Maribeth's day. So yeah.
We just finished our ride.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we didn't just finish.
Oh my god, it's like my boot was connected to my boot.
But the horses had to eat, so we put them back. And then we ordered smoothie juice land or whatever. And now we're gonna do bareback in like 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go get them now. But they went all the way up to the top pasture, so we have a while to walk. So I will. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna film us getting them, but it's gonna be like this. So y'all are gonna have to just deal with it. Okay, so there's the pasture and there's Hiccup right there. And Fish. I'm not running. We're gonna go to the 3rd, Georgia. Yeah. Okay, there's Hiccup. He's kind of eating right now, so this might not go well, so I'm gonna stop vlogging. Okay, so sorry I didn't film bareback, but it never really happened. So I'm home right now. So basically, I went there, I got Hiccup, talked to Mom, and I got on him bareback, and then he would not go in the arena, and he was like really like spooking. He wasn't spooking, he was just not going in the arena. So I got off, walked him, handed in the arena, and then I couldn't get back on him because he like spin in a circle every time I went up to him, and it's hard to get on without a saddle and without a mounting block. So then I took him back down to the cross ties to put a saddle on, and then he wouldn't go back in the arena, and then I hand walked him in the arena, but then I couldn't get on him. So then I just gave up, even though I know that's not what you're supposed to do. I literally just couldn't, and then I got picked up and went home, and I got sunburnt. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys watched it. Sorry for my really bad filming and like how half of it was filmed like this. Sorry, but yeah.